Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a cool summer blues guitar. And you will love this one because it's simple and yet it's not at all. And this is how it's gonna sound. Yeah, and so on. It's a really simple and cool riff, and we're gonna play around this riff. But the riff in itself, I found out because I'm playing with my live students here, it's not so easy as it seems. So let's get started. All right, we have I would say a Tarantino style blues guitar vamp here, and we're moving from this chord here, which represents the E7 chord, or E minus 7 as you like, but it's not really defined. Here 9th fret, 7th fret, and the other chord is this one here, which is an A major, 7, 6. So that's quite simple, of course. But now the riff itself is not hard to play, but it contains the two main syncopes which pop up everywhere in modern music, which make music interesting. So if you're not familiar to them, better learn them now. So the first one is the 1 and 2 and thing is, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, ba, ba. So 1, 2, 3, 4, ba. 1, 2. So that's the first syncope. And the second one comes on 4 ends. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's really simple to play, technical, no problem. But you really have to be precise and convincing on playing those syncopes. So you can play the easy way, just these ones here. Or if you want, what I would do here, I play finger picking on this one here. Here I take the low E string, and the A7 is. So you can do both as you wish. Same thing, but now with the big one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's try this now. I created this cool backing track here, full broadcast quality. It's really cool. And this, in fact, even it's not much, but this defines the whole song and defines the whole space. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I was talking too much now while playing. Sorry for that. Good. So, first of all, you need to get comfortable with these two syncopes, and then you have find enough space for creativity. And there's a lot of creative space in this track here. One really cool trick is on the long note, on the 2 end, I add the natural chorus effect. How you do that? You press your arm against the guitar and then pull the guitar away, and this gives this, as you can hear, so you hear gives this slight chorus effect, and has the big advantage if you beside a regular chorus effect, you can switch it on and off anytime you like. And it's just here to give a tone a little kick, you know, and that's in fact very cool. And this little trick make you sound 50% better on really open space compositions. Same thing here. Can do the same here again. See, as you can hear. Or you can make little movements. 2, 3. I gotta switch on the delay now. I have an analog delay. Now it's even more impressive. Yeah, so that is the main riff where you always play around. As I said, it's very simple, but yet not simple at all. You really pay attention to the little details and figure out that you get perfect timing and on these two types of syncopes. Now in between you have a lot of space to add stuff. So what do we do here? We are on this here in this position we add E minor pentatonic. Or here. Or here. So this is more or less the material, which is quite convenient, but of course you can add any type of stuff you like. Now the key is to make it sound interesting. You always keep the riff in mind and play around that one. I'll show you. I mean, these are not licks. I can do something like try to serve the song or the track or the production you're working on. So also in the bending, I mean, you can just make, or you can make and go along with the tempo of the song, you know. These are the little tricks which really makes the difference from, I would say, top to hop or flop. Let's try it with the backing track. So you just make little answer motifs to the whole thing. But one which is really nice, so with this little figure here, you move down to this figure, and then out of this, then just fill up the remaining notes. That's also a cool one. As you can see, the goal in this whole thing is not to, you know, play fast runs. It's to serve the vibe, which is you don't see now. Orange, dark orange is a Tarantino style for me. Is often dark orange as this kind of melancholic, crazy, longing vibe. And that's the vibe we want to create here. And you can put this in any note you play, you know. Tell little stories just with one note. So you hear the dynamic shift. The little story I told just with 3 notes. And that's what makes a big, big difference between cool stuff and stuff which just goes in here, out there. So. in between, of course, you can just solo without the riff. Just serve the vibe of the tune. And then after a certain while you go back to the riff. Then the whole thing starts to sound really cool. Yo guys, I hope you enjoyed my little cool summer blues guitar. As I said, I created for you guys especially this track here in broadcast quality, Tarantino style, where you can jam along with that one, or you just jam along with the friends at the lake when it's really hot. We have today 36 or 37 degrees in Zurich, Fahrenheit. What is the other measure called? I forgot. It's really hot here, so you cannot play too wild stuff. Keep it cool, keep it relaxed, follow the vibe. That's the main thing which counts here on this cool summer blues guitar. If you want to download this cool backing track and the tabs of the riff and a few ideas I just played, I tapped a few things out that are available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you love my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me, please become a premium member in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, and please share to the world that me and Dr. Pink are existing. See you guys.